screen recording to show you how you can save your podcast as a project and send it to your group members. If you're not able to get together as a group and record your entire podcast in one sitting and you have to record them individually and send them to each other, this is a video to show you how to do that effectively because it can be quite confusing. I'm going to assume at this point that you've already watched the How to Use Audacity film so that you already have Audacity on your computer and you already have a basic understanding of how it works. So I'm just going to open up Audacity and make a short recording, save it, and show you how it would be sent. Okay, so I am recording Rachel's intro to the podcast project. Okay, so I have my recording. Here's what I want to send to whoever is assigned, we've discussed as a group, is going to make the compilation together, right? Because there has to be one person in charge, if you're not doing it together, who's going to put it all together in one podcast. So you're going to click File, and in the first video I said you're going to save it as a project, which is indeed what you're going to do. I would suggest you save it as a compressed copy so that you're only sending one file to your group. So save it as a compressed project, save it as Rachel's intro as an Audacity project, click Save. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you actually go to send the email, because there's two different files and it can be confusing. So click a new email. I'm going to send it to myself just as an example, but obviously you're going to send it to your group members. Title, Rachel's intro to podcast. And then click attachments. And you can see here, there's two different files from when I just clicked save that one time. One is a folder and one is simply the Audacity project. You have to send to your group this folder. If you send them this, they're just going to get this file that's a bunch of metadata. They won't actually get your recordings and they won't be able to open it. So you need to make sure that you send them the file folder with that in it. Once you send that folder, they should be able to be open in Audacity, because it has to be in Audacity, your recordings, and then they can manipulate them and put them all together in one podcast project. So that should do it. Please let me know in class if you have any questions. If that doesn't work, like I said, you always want to make sure that you're saving drafts, and you want to make sure that you do trials before, you don't wait till the last minute and say, oh my gosh, this isn't working. See if you can do a test run and see if you can get it to work. Okay, so I'm going to stop the recording.